ಕೌನ್ ಬನೇಗಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಪತಿ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 2021ರ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಓಷನ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ನಿಟ್ಟಿ ವಿವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌನ್ ಬನೇಗಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಪತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ವಿವಿಧ ವಲಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಕೈಯುವ ಪರಿಣತ ಹಾಗೂ ಯುವ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜೇತರಾದ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಎಂಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಇಒ ಮಹಾಬಲೇಶ್ವರ ಎಂಎಸ್, ನಿಟ್ಟಿ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಪ್ರೊ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾ ಎಂ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇದರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಶಶಿಧರ್ ಪೈ ಮಾರೂರು, ಡಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನ ಎಂಡಿ ಮಹಾದೇವಗೌಡ ಆರ್, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಎಂಡಿ ಸಿಎ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಆಲೂರು, ನಿಟ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಯುಬೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಸಿಇಒ ಡಾ ಎಪಿ ಆಚಾರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು.
Thank you, team. I request Akash Raj and team Adventure to come forward, please. Team C Aquaculture, Mr. Abhinav Udpi, any representatives. Dr. Santosh Kumar BY from Biodegradable Super Absorbent Hydrogel. Thank you, sir. Sir, I also request you to do the honoring to the winners of the Agritech sector, Mr. Gurunandan Hebbar and team from Atmanirbhar Gaushala. Now I request Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, sir, to do the honoring for the special category finalists. I call upon Mr. Narendra Darshat from Dautra to come forward, please. Mrs. Preeti Sundar Rao from Smart Entrance Mat. So I also request you to do the honoring for the winners of the special category, Dr. Chandrasekhar B from Nano Materials in Cement. Thank you, sir. I request CA Ullas Kamat, sir, to come forward to do the honoring for the SAS sector finalists. I call upon Mr. Harshit Bhatt from WeConnect. Mr. Suraj Samaga and team from Team Karya Bharat. Mr. Anand J from Pay for Talent. Mr. Abhinav Kini from Needy Proposal. Sir, I also request you to do the honoring for the winners of the SAS sector, Mr. Yatish Gowda from Team Karbar. Thank you, sir.
ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಮಹಾಬಲೇಶ್ವರ ಎಂಎಸ್, ವಿಜೇತರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ರೂಢಿಸಬಾರದು. ನಮ್ಮದು ಇದು ಮೊದಲ ಹಂತದ ಗೆಲುವು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಯಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿಜೇತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾಳುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಿವಿಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So I feel very happy to sit with people like Dr. Shantaram Shetty, Mr. Marur, Mr. Kamath, and all such great people. I think youngsters should have that type of dream also. So when you are tasting your first success today on this event of prize distribution ceremony of KBU, Kaun Banega Udyampati, what are the life goals that we set for ourselves? That is one question which we should ask to ourselves as a part of introspection. That is in a broader sense. But let me first acknowledge and congratulate the entire team KBU, Kaun Banega Udyampati, ably supported by Nitte team, our own Nammakudla team, and my own bank, Karnataka Bank team. And all the participants, because it was almost in 1 year journey, and not that easy. But you have been able to be passionate right from the beginning and today also. So let me wholeheartedly congratulate all the participants and also the people who have worked to make this a successful venture, and to individual members also, let me acknowledge and appreciate their efforts. My congratulations to the winners. Today we have 4 winners in 4 categories. I'm also fortunate on 2 counts. One is the inaugural ceremony. I was very much here, and today they were kind enough to invite me for the closing ceremony also, for this prize distribution ceremony. Secondly, Mr. Achar and his team, they had given an opportunity for Karnataka Bank to partner with this great initiative. Dakshina Kannada, Undivided Karavali. This is known for entrepreneurship. We have good startups of those days, the banks which we call today, and the health sector, education sector, you name anything, even in the restaurant field, everywhere.
ಇನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಉದ್ಯಮವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಉದ್ಯಮವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ವೃದ್ಧಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Most of you are businessmen. I am perhaps the only doctor here. Or most of you are financiers and who deal with money and with business. Business is the very pillar and strength and growth of any country. If at all United States, even today, in spite of all the problems it has now, has grown to be the big brother or the leader in different fields of its own endeavor, it is because of the strength of business. I was surprised to see an example of Walmart. Walmart was just started by Mr. Wall, Kim Wall. He was from Econos in United States of America. He started as a small mart in the outskirts of his town, and he had an innovation. He did not start his smalls in the center of the city, but in the outskirts of the city, where the rent was very cheap, and it grew. And today, gentlemen, you may not believe, I was surprised to see their company is employing more than 2 million employees all around the world.
And I did tell them saying that in India, anything you do big, it works. Anything you do small, it works, but not as big as when you do it big. India is a large canvas to do anything, and the whole country should know what you do, and it's a good beginning. And I told them that do it in a pilot scale in Mangalore and see how it works, and then we can take it to Karnataka, then we take it to southern India, then we can make it as a national property, because Government of India wants startups in their own interest, because Government of India cannot create any more jobs. Private's very difficult to create more jobs. So the only jobs who can create is startups, starting from themselves, a job for them, At least when you are a startup, you can't be working anywhere. So you'll have created job for yourself first, then few more, then 5 more, then 10 more, then 20 more. But India needs 1 million jobs every month.
ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದ ಗಣ್ಯರು ವಿಜೇತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾಳುಗಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ನಮಕುಡ್ಲ ವಾಹಿನಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಲೀಲಾಕ್ಷಾ ಬಿ ಕರ್ಕೇರ, ತಿಲಕ್ ರವಿ, ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಯ್, ಮನೀಶ್ ಶಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಬಿಯುನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾಳುಗಳು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು.